Hey everybody, before I really start getting into working on all this, putting the paint down in the dirt and stuff like that, I just want to make one point. I think last night I was, yeah, definitely not last night, but last time I was painting the foam with acrylic paint, and you don't need to use acrylic paint. I just happen to have a bunch of it on hand in a dark color that I used last night. You actually really, when you're doing this kind of scenery work and using your paint as kind of adhesive for your ground cover, then you want to go with as cheap, flat latex paint as you can get. So if you're going to be doing this in volume, because even though this acrylic paint is fairly cheap, it can still, it's a lot pricier than getting a quart or a gallon of latex and either having it pre-colored or coloring it yourself. I just use my tan, actually it's maple color, and added some, had some earth undercoat pigment and had some dark brown and mixed some black acrylic in with it. So, but this, yeah, you definitely want to go with a latex paint. So this will be what I paint the foam with, and it'll serve as the undercoat that'll hold a layer of dirt in place. So anyway, the rest of this is going to be shot in time-lapse mode, so that's it for the moment. I just wanted to make that clarification.